Namaste and welcome. I am Dr. Arushi Chawla from Lloyd Institute of Forensic Science, and today we will delve into a critical aspect of forensic science, that is, the role of dental records in identifying individuals involved in train crashes.
विमान दुर्घटना में एक व्यक्ति की पहचान करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है.
In the unfortunate event of a plane crash, the challenges to identify a victim is immense. DNA, fingerprints, and dental records play a very crucial role in this process.
Dental records are very important for an individual's identification.
Every person has a unique dental structure, just like your fingerprints. Dental records, which include fillings, crowns, and other dental work, making them very distinctive. दुर्घटना के कारण शरीर पर होने वाले बदलावों से व्यक्ति की पहचान करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. In these cases, dental records of an individual can prove very helpful, as they can be used for race determination, gender determination, as well as age estimation. In fact, it's also said that pulp of a teeth are the purest form of DNA. In fact, in the year 2000, Alaska Airline Flight 261 crashed into the Pacific Ocean. The impact was so high that the bodies were beyond identification. In these cases, due to the involvement of forensic odontologists, identification of the bodies were possible. To conclude, the utilization of dental records in identifying the individuals has been invaluable. It not only aids in confirming the identity, but also gives a closure to the families of the victim. Thank you.